Big loads, extreme conditions, and pure skill. This is heavy transport at its best. From steep descents to tight squeezes, witness power and precision in action. This might be the most challenging delivery to date. The road is fraught with difficulties, but the driver's grit and expertise keep the mission moving forward against all odds. Experience the intense 48-hour rescue of a mechanical semi-trailer in critical condition. On September 23, 2016, something extraordinary happened in Kunovice. Definitely not your everyday sight, folks. A Tupolev Tu-154, the very plane that once carried Czech Olympians home from Nagano, was being hauled by truck from Kabeli Airport to Kunovice. Picture this: a massive aircraft dismantled and loaded onto a truck, rolling down the road. People couldn't believe their eyes. Cheers and gasps filled the air as it made its way through. Watching this 140-ton test mech trencher roll onto the Goldhofer trailer, you can almost feel the ground shake. With a Goldhofer THP/SL trailer and MAN-TGX 680W SK tractor, this transport showcases precision and heavy-duty adaptability. Stavridis SA ensures safe and efficient handling of oversized loads at every step. Get ready to be blown away by the incredible power of the BAT-2. Weighing in at 40 tons, this powerhouse comes packed with a bulldozer blade, a soil-ripping spike, and a 2-ton crane, tearing through the ground with unmatched force. The BAT-2 uses its massive blade to carve pathways through minefields, fill in trenches, and crush berms and other obstacles with ease. The Liebherr 984 excels in heavy-duty tasks, loading trucks with overburden in just 2 passes, showcasing its impressive capacity and precision. The operator's expert handling ensures seamless, efficient operations, highlighting the machine's reliability in large-scale projects. Experience the breathtaking might of the Kometo transporter girder as it effortlessly moves colossal concrete beams across the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway construction site. Alalise, experts in heavy haulage, recently transported two massive 300-ton loads from Shoreham to Ninfield. With precision and power, they navigated tight turns, a low railway bridge, and steep inclines, proving no challenge is too big for these industry leaders. Incredible. Check out the Russell DE15 2500 pushing its way through this blizzard. Its snowplow slices through the drifts, throwing sparkling sprays of snow into the air. The powerful roar of its engine and the screech of steel wheels break the stillness of the winter scene. Buchanan Hauling and Rigging took on the monumental task of moving a massive 352,000-pound Sandvik DR 416 blast hole drill rig from Alachua, Florida, to the port of Houston, Texas. This giant machine demanded precise planning and flawless execution to complete the lengthy journey. The experienced driver and committed escort team showcased outstanding professionalism and skill, guaranteeing the safe and successful transport of this enormous drill rig. Wow, check out the Castor Pollux vehicles hauling a massive 65-ton reel packed with 6,600 meters of cable up this winding mountain road. The sharp turns push these beasts to the edge as their engines power through every curve. The sheer torque and traction are absolutely mind-blowing. Speed, the unseen culprit, claims another victim. A female trucker's early morning attempt to tackle a roundabout goes awry, sending her semi-loaded with empty beer bottles tumbling onto its side. Chaos unfolds as rescue teams and firefighters race to restore order and recover the wreckage. When it comes to handling heavy tasks, the Senbogen 6140EHD delivers every time. With a 140-ton maximum load capacity and 24 tons at a 20-meter reach, this duty cycle crane is built tough for real work. Whether you're dealing with clamshells, dragline buckets, or diaphragm wall grabs, the sturdy boom and powerful engine guarantee smooth and efficient performance. A 180-ton Titan moving slowly around a tight curve, the frame bending and flexing like a spring under immense pressure. Increased gooseneck pressure boosts traction, while the truck's suspension absorbs the load, maintaining stability. What makes it even more impressive? The driver executed this nerve-wracking maneuver all on their own. No support crew to lend a hand. Who cares about a clean highway when you've got these wild machines? They cut through snow, mud, and mountains like something straight out of a sci-fi film. Buchanan Hauling and Rigging, celebrated for their mastery in heavy-duty transportation, recently completed another impressive silo move. Measuring 60 feet in length, this massive structure traveled from New York to Indiana, highlighting Buchanan's expertise in managing oversized cargo with precision. Despite the silo's considerable size, Buchanan's experienced drivers made the entire journey appear seamless. What led to this near catastrophe? The truck carrying a hefty load starts sliding dangerously backward. Did the driver underestimate the terrain? Was the weight too heavy for the tires to hold steady? The Flash Consortium truck is carrying an absolute powerhouse, a stator weighing 358 metric tons with dimensions that are far from small. Measuring 10.5 meters in length and 4.54 meters in height, this massive piece of machinery isn't just large, it's a true feat of engineering. Maneuvering through India's varied terrain, the challenge of clearing obstacles like bridges demands exceptional precision in route planning. The Hitachi EX 8006 redefines heavy machinery with an 837-ton weight. Standing 10 meters tall and 8 meters wide, it's like a mobile 3-story building. Its massive 38 to 43 cubic meter bucket can move earth equivalent to 6 11-ton trucks in one scoop. Powered by twin Cummins QSKT 60-C engines, Delivering 1,940 horsepower each, it conquers any challenge. This is the future of excavation technology. A massive journey in motion. A 700,000-pound generator rotor travels from Callaway Nuclear Plant for refurbishment. With one truck leading, another pushing, and 108 tires in use, this engineering feat required precision to navigate tight turns. Each axle steered carefully, inching the massive cargo around corners. A true display of human ingenuity and heavy machinery. On December 8th, 2024, the superload bound for Intel through Etna, Ohio, experienced significant oscillation when the rear vehicle stopped. Using two trailers with flexible, pivoting wheels, the convoy executed a precise turn around a sharp bend, maintaining full control. This flawless maneuver highlighted the importance of careful logistics coordination for safely transporting massive loads. Two disassembled CAT 793D dump trucks, each with a hauling capacity of 232 tons, are being transported by Centurion Transport along the Barkley Highway. Given the immense size of these mining behemoths, the oversized load warnings almost seem downplayed. When transporting iron ore over a distance of 150 kilometers from Kaunisvaara to Pitkäjärvi, specialized truck convoys are employed, each weighing 90 tons. The lead truck skillfully pulls the load, while the trailing truck helps with distribution. Each truck is equipped with hydraulic lift trailers that tilt the containers, enabling smooth unloading of bulk materials. This design is critical for enhancing both the efficiency and safety of heavy-duty transport operations. Introducing the OFI London Double Stack Container, Super B Double Scale Trailer, an innovative solution for container ports, doubling the capacity of traditional Super B doubles. It can carry 8 by 20 foot or 4 by 40 foot containers per trip, boosting efficiency and meeting strict safety standards in its first road trial. At minus 10 degrees Celsius, the LAZ 1833's engine faces a tough cold start, delayed combustion, and thick smoke. The engine struggles, sounding like a mechanical beast, choking and sputtering after a chilly night. Cows are vital to agriculture, providing milk, meat, and natural fertilizer for sustainable farming. While transporting them is usually straightforward, rugged or remote areas pose challenges. In such cases, helicopters offer an efficient solution, allowing safe and quick relocation of cattle. This method is common in mountainous regions or during emergencies, like floods, reducing animal stress and injury. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through the world of extreme transport. If you thought moving your furniture was a challenge, imagine hauling these monstrous machines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other death-defying deliveries you'd like to see.